Action. Hey there, little girl. Who are you?
I am the Bunny Master.
The Bunny Master. Ooh. Why are you the Bunny Master?
Because I have a bunny slippers, and a bunny ears, and a bunny glasses, and a bunny towel, and a bunny stick.
Ooh.
And I have this.
What is that?
These are for bunnies.
Cool.
And this is my toy. It's a little bit broken. And I have my special ticket for bunny. Special sticker card. And a special letter. That's why I am the Bunny Master.
Can I see your slippers? Wow, those are cute slippers. Ah!
It's okay, I can see.
Uh-oh. Hello.
Hello. This is my bunny costume. So, this is some kind of ticket, sticker card, ticket, and a letter like it.
Nice stuff.
And there's one more thing. No, not this. And because I'm a bunny master.
Are you frozen? You got that chicken? Look at this.
Can you see? Where?
Okay.
Where?